Three, kita dapat packaging from Anchor. Yes, spray paint daripada Malaysia. They decided to sponsor Kura Maker, that is me, for making this little project for clients. That is this project, iaitu Black Panther Killmonger, like in this video. So wanted to unboxing this, so korang boleh tengok lah apa dalam ni, apa dia semua. So pastikan korang like dan share. Thank you so much Anchor, or yes, for the sponsorship for you guys. Thank you so much. Let's go into the video. Hello guys, so today, yes, my name is King Rushdie and from Kura Maker, and we are going to print the second version of Black Panther. This is the first one that I ever make. This is the first one. I have masking tape and such, and this is the first version, as you can see, and you can wear it, of course. And I want to print the second one, that is the second version. It is this. So I print using a 3D printer, and it takes a long time to make. This part is around 16 hours. This part is 20 hours of print. So it's pretty damn annoying to wait, and it's just a simple thing to make, because it's just print and play. If you guys wanted this file, you guys can take it for free at Etsy. You can take it for free at Thingiverse, or you guys can check it out at Etsy. Etsy.com for buying the files. So let's get into the making progress of this helmet, because it is only I will print it one more part, that is a back part. So if you guys wanted to see the full 3D file, let's get into the laptop. Let's go. So this is the part. So this is the back part. This is the forehead, and this is the mouth part. So I just cut it three parts for it to print, but it takes a long time, because this part is 20 hours, this part is 16, and this part is 16 hours. So I put it at Kura. That is software that you can get on the 3D software printer, STL and stuff. So you guys print this, as you can see, it's 16 hours and 31 minutes. So yes, let's get into the video. So we're going to spray this up. I just use some of the black of it. So this is a project for this. That is a Black Panther Killmonger. So let's spray this up. First, we will spray black from Anchor. You guys can buy this at your own convenience store or the hardware store and stuff. So this product is really good, and I always use this before samurai paint and stuff, so you guys can check it out. So kita akan spray dulu warna hitam, and then selepas itu kita akan spray warna gold ikut lines dia lah. So quality dia bagus lah kan. letak macam ada spray, because as you can see, if you spray paint sekali dua, they cover up all the areas and stuff. So yes, first we must spray paint this first, all black, and then we will continue to the gold part. Okay, I don't have any clear though. Soalannya kena ada clear. Apa pula nak bagi tahu kan? Alright, next part is the black. I spray painted some of my paint, but yeah, finish it already. Let's spray paint it back. Hitamkan dia balik, guys. Dah masking beberapa tempat, and then boleh spray lah macam ni, and boleh guna sponge untuk buat apa-apa macam detailing and stuff. So sekejap cari sponge. Habis. So guna Anchor, champagne. So ada sponge yang lebih untuk touch up sedikit, sebab dia tak perlukan banyak. We just really need little. So you guys can see in here.